To change or create an admin on a Mac, start by understanding the different types of user accounts available, including administrator accounts, which have full control over the computer and its settings. First, log into your Mac using an existing administrator account. If you do not have access to an administrator account, you may need to reset your Mac or seek assistance from the device's primary administrator. Next, navigate to the System Preferences by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and selecting System Preferences. From here, select Users and Groups, which is represented by a silhouette icon. You will be prompted to enter your administrator password to unlock the Preferences pane. Once unlocked, you can create a new administrator account by clicking the plus sign at the bottom left corner of the window. Select Administrator from the New Account pop-up menu and enter the required information, including the user's name, account name, password, and password hint. To change an existing standard user account to an administrator account, select the account from the list on the left side of the window and check the box labeled Allow User to administer this computer. When creating a new administrator account or changing an existing account, it is essential to use strong and unique passwords to ensure the security of your Mac. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as your name or birth date, and consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your administrator account. This can be done by going to the Apple ID Preferences pane and selecting Password and Security. Finally, log out of your current account and log back in with the new administrator account to verify that the changes have taken effect. By following these steps, you can create or change an admin on your Mac and ensure that your device remains secure and under your control.